Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy A72. I think you've realized that already. If you're long pressing the power button, you cannot off anymore the phone. But there are some ways how you can do that. The first one I want to show you is with the buttons. But you don't need only the power button for, you need next to also the volume down key for. So press these both buttons and hold them until you see the power menu, and then you can go here on power off and confirm it again here on power off. So there's a second way to turn off the phone by just swiping down a second time. Then you will have here also the symbol to power off the phone, and then you can also here go on power off and confirm it again. Okay, but there's also a way to change the settings here for the power button, that you have a real power button here. Let me show you how we can do that. So just scroll down here, then go to the symbol for the settings, then scroll down to the point Advanced Features, and here we will have the point Side Key. So that means the former power button. And then I can choose the action if you press and hold this side key. Actually, we have seen we wake up Bixby with, but if we change it into the power menu one, and if we long press now this side button here, we will have back our power menu and confirm, and the phone is turned off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.